This video is to show the functionality of this dual 1246 automatic turntable and these two Pioneer G303 floor speakers. Everything functions just great on the turntable. Very smooth.
There was a woman in Georgia, didn't feel just right. She had fever all day and chills at night. Now things got worse, yes, a serious bind. In times like this, it takes a man with a style like getting out of a vine. A doctor of the heart and a doctor of the mind. You like country with a funky feet, is a man to me. You like the sound of the champion feet, yeah, baby. If you wanna feel real nice, just dance the rock and roll back to the vibe. It's just a country town, but peace has come.
The cut feature or stop. And this turntable has an Empire 2010 cartridge with a brand new replacement stylus.